Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming both devices run the latest iOS. Updates often fix audio bugs. Next, test network stability, move closer to the router, or switch to 5 GHz for lower interference. Once done, disable Bluetooth and close background apps that may seize the microphone or network bandwidth. These actions eliminate common causes quickly. Make sure to restart FaceTime after each change so settings reset cleanly, and you can hear if the problem persists. Now dive deeper. Reset network settings to clear stubborn Wi-Fi or cellular conflicts. Note this removes saved networks. Then, inspect microphone permissions for FaceTime and any third-party audio apps that might take exclusive access. Switch audio output between earpiece, speaker, and AirPods to isolate the issue. Also disable Wi-Fi assist and low power mode because they throttle connections and audio handling. After these steps, restart the device and rejoin the FaceTime call to verify. Finish by reinstalling or toggling FaceTime off and on in settings to clear app corruption. Test the call on both Wi-Fi and cellular to pinpoint whether the issue is network-related. If problems continue, record a short voice memo. If audio drops there too, suspect hardware or debris in the mic. One key troubleshooting tip: use another device with the same Apple ID to join the call if the issue disappears. Your original device likely needs service or a professional microphone cleaning.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.